Did you know that you have an invisible bodyguard in every one of your cells? One that protects you from cancer every day? This cellular guardian angel is called P-53, also known in science as the guardian of the genome. P-53 is a gene, or rather a protein, that tirelessly monitors your DNA. As soon as radiation, toxins, or stress damage your genetic information, this P-53 sounds the alarm, stops cell division, and repairs the damage. But if it's not possible to save your DNA now, then P-53 presses the self-destruction button and the defective cell is eliminated through apoptosis. That's what it's called. That's a suicide program, simply disposed of. In this way, P-53 prevents mutated cells from multiplying uncontrollably. It effectively stops the formation of tumors. This gene is so powerful that it is found to be switched off or mutated in over 50% of all types of cancer. When it is missing, cancer can often develop in the first place. No wonder that P-53 can be called your cell bodyguard. And the good news is that you can actively support and strengthen this bodyguard through your lifestyle. And here are a few levers you can use to give P-53 a boost. Sleep. Good. Sufficient sleep is pure regeneration. At night, your body repairs DNA damage, and P-53 can fully perform its guardian role. On the other hand, lack of sleep has drastic consequences. In studies, the activity of DNA repair genes dropped by 30% during night shifts, while DNA breaks increased significantly. That means for you, get enough sleep so that P-53 and company can clean up in peace. Exercise and sports are not only good for your muscles, but also for your cells. Physical activity acts like a turbo boost for P-53. It can increase the production of this protective protein. More P-53 means that damaged cells are stopped and repaired more quickly. So regular exercise in a way also trains your internal tumor suppressor and helps prevent cancer. Yes, fasting, structured fasting, puts your body into a cell repair mode. This activates a kind of cellular cleaning crew, the autophagy, which is the cleanup program for defective cell components. What's fascinating is that researchers have discovered that during fasting, the P-53 signaling pathway is upregulated in important organs. So your cell bodyguard remains extremely vigilant even during the fasting metabolism and helps to eliminate damaged cells. Fasting means cells regenerate supported by P-53. Yes, and what about plant-based nutrition? Of course, a colorful, mostly plant-based diet with additional antioxidants and phytonutrients that protect the cells. People who eat a mostly plant-based diet are less likely to get cancer in studies. Coincidence? No, because this diet reduces inflammation and oxidative damage. Especially cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, and company contain substances that directly affect our protective genes. So, for example, P-53, which is rich in sulforaphane, really boosts the P-53, and scientists found out that this ingredient from broccoli and company can activate the P-53 gene, which allows cell division to be controlled and DNA damage to be efficiently repaired. Turmeric, the yellow spice, the king of spices, contains curcumin, which stabilizes and activates P-53 in your cells. Again, studies show that curcumin can restore the amount and function of P-53. It's basically an upgrade for your cell bodyguard and green tea. It's full of epigallocatechin gallate, a powerful antioxidant. This epigallocatechin gallate binds to P-53 and protects it from degradation. So there's more of this protein. And as a result, P-53 can perform its anti-cancer task even more effectively. So it's no wonder that green tea drinkers have shown a lower risk of cancer in some studies. So in conclusion, you have a very powerful ally against cancer inside you, namely P-53, and it's in your own hands to provide this cellular bodyguard with optimal conditions by getting enough sleep, plenty of exercise, lots of stretching, occasional fasting, ideally daily intermittent fasting, and a plant-rich diet. That way you help P-53 protect you. Isn't that fascinating? I think it's incredible. Your body has a built-in cancer killer, and you can use this knowledge to naturally strengthen it. Yes, and since everyone probably wants to protect themselves from cancer in some way, should you share this video with as many people as possible?